tonight battle lines are being drawn again between industry and environmentalists.
According to environmental reporter Marvin McGraw, it's over proposed new federal regulations which tighten restrictions on toxic air emissions.
Louisiana leads the nation in toxic releases into the environment, and much of it goes into the air. In fact, in 1991, more than 97 million pounds of toxic material was released into Louisiana's atmosphere.
The emissions here are so high, and the cancer rates are so high.
Environmentalist David Dreesen has concerns that a new EPA rule, which would place federal limits on toxic emissions, doesn't go far enough.
What's at issue is whether you're going to have really strong, enforceable regulations that will really get the kind of reductions that EPA is claiming.
The EPA claims the new rule will reduce emissions from chemical plants by as much as 500,000 tons annually. But environmentalists say it's full of loopholes.
A weak rule is worse than no rule because it gives the illusion that the improvements are being made when in fact they're not.
But a spokesman for the chemical industry says that's not true. In fact, when combined with the Louisiana Clean Air Act, Dan Bournet says industry will be tightly regulated.
Let's look at the Louisiana law as it's currently being implemented and what's coming down the pike from the federal law, and understand that when you combine those two, Louisiana will be ahead of every other state in the union.
I'm Marvin McGraw, Channel 2 Eyewitness News.
And you can voice your opinion on the new EPA rule at a public hearing tomorrow night at the Department of Natural Resources building on 4th Street. It begins at 6 o'clock.